Red's at the top. Go on then. Yeah, but the question is, will Sugar Rush it again?
Yeah, it will, mate. You better get fucking 10 billion X.
The first time felt so nice,
Break an
had to
X-Men.
get me in twice. Green's here, maybe. Wait, red's
One
here.
more.
Red's or
Red.
green's here. Oh, like, that's just ruined it.
Jelly
Nah,
beans,
it's
mate.
ruined it.
Oh.
Ruined it.
Mm.
Still ruined.
Top symbol
Unless it's
over
top
it,
symbol,
green?
it won't.
Oh, bastard.
I'm Irish. Yeah, I fucking hope it's as well, mate.
Yeah, Max win, you know.
Go on, gold to. Oh, purples.
Purple?
Rolled, mate. Where are you from? Are you from the US? Or are you from like I don't know, like a different European country? Hearts are there.
Wee.
Decent. Greens
Hearts now,
maybe,
bro.
or
Hearts
jelly
everywhere.
beans. Jelly beans, US. Yeah, I thought so.
I ain't saying nothing.
Jelly
I
beans.
ain't saying nothing. Bro, I'm sorry. This has got to be the worst country to be from, though, isn't it?
Nah, the thing is, yeah, I don't really care if you're gonna come in my chat and say stuff like bottle of water. Don't affect me, but realistically,
Banter, though, isn't it?
if any other British person sees that, they're not gonna be happy.
It's not even that. It's like they act like it pisses off. It's just dead banter. It's just the fact they think it's the funniest shit. That's what annoys me.
They've got the worst crack. It's not even funny.
Yeah.
Like, I don't get it.
Like they fully think that is like peak comedy though, being like, oh,
What?
I say
What? How
bottle of
none of
water
that
funny.
Don't either. Bottle of water. It's pretty normal.
They say it weirdly. Bottle of
Bottle
water.
of water. Fucking dickheads.
Agent is not happy.
I
Orange
don't like
hearts.
Americans, mate. I think it's a pretty obvious thing.
A meme. Fucking hell, what a meme, lad.
It's a funny meme, bro. Oh, yeah.
Red sir would be nice.
You know what else is a funny meme, mate?
Right? Don't go there.
Yeah,
Top symbol.
not good.
I don't even have to finish the sentence. I just found it funny, mate. They were dissing the Queen's
Gold.
death, and then 2 days later, there was like, you know.
Top symbol.
Nah.
Oh, no, it's not that good. Reds maybe.
USA.
Should I just stop now? Now we're on such. Right, I'm
Having
gonna.
fun, mate.
Right.
Just maybe catch like 50 or
Unwin.
60 or something.
Oh, why not?
We're gonna-
Barbecue.
We're gonna do this. We're gonna do this.
Barbecue.
What do you stream for an hour? That's quite a long time as well, to be fair.
Nice, man.
What we're saying? Different slot?
Sweets maybe, mate.
1 hour is long for slots, mate. I don't exactly depot a lot. Normally
I'm
it's
say
like
considering the fact you didn't depot much, but then again.
plus nah, but like to be fair, and I've been sad good for you as well. A 90-year-old death is not something people should care about. Like she lived longer than most in the great privileged life.
Yeah, I'm not gonna bait. I don't think I could name one person that
What
actually really
blood?
cared.
Blood? Do you stream
Yeah,
as
no.
well? Nah, I don't.
Yeah, he has 51k followers.
Fucking hell, really? Oh, they've noticed.
Yeah.
Your boss trying to source me a fucking gambling site
I think
sponsorship real
Donald
quick.
mentioned.
I want a fucking web. I want
No,
like
no.
a thingy so badly. I want
It's just fun as
a,
fuck,
steak,
man.
a steak or jewel bits one. Oh man, I'd be so happy.
Mate, steak. I love steak, man. Steak's actually
Yeah, but you
so
have to
fucking
average,
fun.
like, 200 viewers.
Oh
I
wait,
swear, right?
what do you stream, Blur?
My Little Pony playthroughs.
I'd watch the fuck out of that.
Yeah, I respect that. I respect that. That's nice.
Mate, My
Though.
Little Pony's gas. Oh, League of Legends, mate.
What's Teemo?
Guessing he's a character in League or some shit.
Heard
So one game I
Leeds gonna
wish
be
I
good.
fucking got into, man, was
I
fucking.
don't know what Teemo is. I'm not gonna lie.
League
League
looks like a
character.
good game. I just
Yeah, I
I
thought
don't
it's
think
League.
I would be able to play it.
Mate, same.
No.
In the sense of like
Do you know what it is, right? I'm too stupid to understand it.
team over.
Yeah, yeah, literally, bro. There's too much
Oh yeah,
like,
see,
cognitive ability.
that's good banter from Matt there, Teemo Werner.
Teemo.
Oi, oh my god, wait, green hair and then the top symbols will connect. Oh, imagine that, bro. 8 of them right there. Fucking hell.
Mate,
I remember
what was...
Yahoo at fault.
You remember Overwatch, mate? Did anyone of you used to play Overwatch?
Nah, I've never played it.
Oh,
I don't-
mate. There was a fucking Genji skin, mate, in Overwatch, right? Where you had to play this other game, and it's similar to League of Legends. And after playing it, mate, I just wanted to end it. Like, it was just so fucking
in
not
a game, obviously.
mate. Like, those types of games where I just can't play. My brain doesn't function.
I'm just too stupid. That's just it, really. Yeah, I'm with you on that one, Blah, mate.
That's why you get me and Cole Fraser.
Yeah, I just do it right. I'm not like an addict or anything. I just do it because I think it's so
fuck
fun
it
to
up.
stream. I think it's so fun to stream. And then when stuff like what that Zeus guy did, where he just gifted 10, he's like, I'll do a buy and like shit like that. It's just fun. I don't mind spending 150 just to have a bit of fun. Why not? Fuck it.
Sweet.
And there's a chance that you can hit big as well. Right. I don't think this is gonna get me back in. So where should we
How
go?
much did you cash out?
I'm going to cash out 65. Because then I've saved myself a bit. I've only spent like 70 or 80.
Mate, did you get in on Gates or no?
Nope. But I was getting some nice base games.
Could have some Gates.
This blogger guy in my chat, he loves skates. He got a 500x and a 100x base game in it.
Who did?
He put it in chat. Blogger. If you scroll up in my
Really?
chat, you'll be able to see it. Fucking
Mate, Gates is
insane.
good.
Mate, I'll be loving Gates as well if I got hits like that.
Mate, I had was my first spin? Yeah, my first ever spin on Gates for a 500x.
Green stars.
That was saucy.
180p spin. Get me in on this.
You wish, mate.
There's base game spins on gates, yeah. What do we do?
$20 mine.